The SNAILER Alduo is our full aluminum hardshell rooftop tent. To open the tent, simply unbuckle the two locks and push it open. Set aside the elastic band. The tent comes with a telescopic ladder, which can be stored inside, 2 boot bags, and 2 poles that hold up the canopy. Clip the shoe bags on both sides of the tent opening. Take out the ladder from its cover, attach it to the tent, and slowly slide out each step until you hear a clicking sound. Climb inside the tent and use the 2 poles to stretch the canopy. The SNAILER Alduo is now ready for camping. To close the tent, the steps are in reverse. Undo the poles and store them in the bag. Climb out of the tent and start shortening the ladder from the bottom by pushing 2 buttons on each side of the step. Fold the ladder this way step by step. When storing the ladder inside, use the cover to avoid getting the mattress dirty. Unclip the shoe bags and put them inside the tent. Put the elastic band back in place so it pushes the fabric in when closing. Grab the rope with the handle and slowly close the tent. Before fully closing the tent, make sure the rope and all fabrics are tucked in on all sides. This is how easy the SNAILER Alduo works.